morning, kindergarten. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, and this is such an exciting day in Mexico. This is the day that we call Cinco de Mayo. In Spanish, that means 5 of May, which means it's the 5th day of May, which is just what today is. It's May 5th. And in Mexico and around the world, people are celebrating Cinco de Mayo. You'll learn more about Mexico and Mexico's history and why Cinco de Mayo is an important day as you get older. But today, many of you might be enjoying Cinco de Mayo by having tacos or maybe some chips and salsa or other delicious foods. I hope you have a great Cinco de Mayo. I think we're gonna have tacos tonight at my house. It's gonna be so much fun. I hope you're having a great day. Let's go ahead and look at our morning work together. For morning work today, you're going to be looking at counting by tens again today. So let's go ahead and practice that really quick. Let's use our teeny tiny mouse voices. Because guess what, boys and girls? I have a rat living in my backyard. Oh no, it keeps coming up on our deck. Yikes. I don't know if a rat sounds like a mouse. I think it does, but let's use our mouse voices. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job. Also, for your morning work today, we're going to be looking at tens and ones. So remember, when we have a number, let's say it's the number 18 today. So when we have this number 18, this first number tells us how many tens we have. So how many tens are there in the number 18? 1, good job. How many ones are there in my number 18? 8, good job. We have 1 10 and 8 ones. Great job. Also today in your morning work, you're going to be practicing counting syllables. Remember, that's when we're clapping sounds in a word. So when we clap the beats, we're going to be keeping the steady beat. We don't go fast and slow and all sorts of things. We also aren't clapping each sound. We're not going b-at. We're going bat. Okay? Let's practice the word pencil. Pencil. How many beats was that? How many syllables? 2. Good job. Let's do the word eraser. Eraser. How many syllables does that have? 3. And how about the word pen? Pen. It's not a pen. It's just a pen. How many was that? 1. Good job. Let's look at our morning work together. For your morning work today, you're going to count how many items there are. You'll write how many, and then you'll look at the tens and ones within that number. You'll do that for this box as well. This box down here, you're going to be counting on. So we're going to start at our number 8. What comes after 8? 9. Good. So we'll write a 9 here. Then 8, 9, 10. Good. Keep it going. Then you'll count here and you'll do the tens, ones, and in all again. And then you're counting by tens and writing that number. You had lots of practice with that over the last few days with your math work, so it should be nice and easy for you now. This box is our beginning sounds practice. So we're going to look at the beginning sound and color the words that have the same sound to match. So we have a tie, wand, wagon, tooth. In these boxes, you're going to write the beginning sound. So we have the word foot and the word lion. Trace our sight word what and write it down here 2 more times. And then this box, we're looking for words that end with this sound. Let's read it together. Ick. There's that CK together, that digraph from last week that we were learning about. When CK is together, it just makes one sound, k. Ick. We have a bike, zip, kick, lick, sick. This is a pinwheel. So with a pinwheel, you're going to clap the syllables. And then this is a picture of a wig. You're going to circle the word that says wig. That's your morning work. For math today, we are going to be counting on. This is something we started a few weeks ago, and we've been practicing it a little bit. but it's about to get a little bit tricky. You don't just have to count on from small numbers. You can count on from big numbers too. So to help you with this, let's look at this one together. What number do I have here? It starts with the 4, so that's going to say 40, 41. Good job. 41. What comes after 41? 41, 42. How do I write number 42? A 4 for 40, and then a 2 because it's 42. 41, 42, 43. Good. So we need a 4 and then a 3 for our number 43. This is what we're going to be doing today on our math paper. So let's take a peek at the first one together, and then you'll do the other ones on your own.
All right, today we're going to be writing our numbers in clouds, which I think is great and fun for the springtime because there's a lot of rainy and cloudy days. So let's do the first row together. We start with this first number. What is that number? It starts with a 3, 35. Good. What number comes after 35? If you don't know, you can always go backwards and start at a number you do know, like 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Good. 36. Go ahead and write number 36. For 30, we need a 3 and then 6. 36. Let's start back here. 35, 36, 37. Go ahead and write your number, 37. It's a 3 for 30 and then a 7. 35, 36, 37, 38. Good, write your number, 38. That's how we count on from our numbers, even if they're a bigger number. You're going to get some extra practice with these numbers. I'm not going to tell you what they are because I want to see if you can challenge yourself and figure them out. This one's going to really try and trick you, so make sure you're paying extra careful attention. Go ahead and get started.
For phonics today, you're continuing to work on your same sounds. So some of you are working on our digraph SH. When SH is together, it doesn't say s. Remember that it says shh. If you want to go through your paper and underline or circle or color SH wherever you see it together, so you remember that it says shh, that's always a good idea. Others of you are working on your L blends. And let's remember when a letter is partnered with an L right behind it and it slides together, like SL, instead of saying s-ul, we say sl, and it becomes almost one sound as we blend it together. Others of you are working on that sneaky E, and that sneaky E comes along and he's silent and he makes it say a different sound. So we have our word id, hid, like the rat hid in my backyard. If sneaky E comes along and we put him right here on the end, remember he's silent, but he steals the I sound and makes it say I instead of it. So this becomes the word I'd, like the word hide. I'm going to hide from you. Go ahead and practice your phonics. For reading today, you should all be in your new reading levels now, I hope. And you're going to read your passage 3 times, and you're going to answer the questions below. Then you'll flip over to the back, and on the back today is a find a word. So you'll look for each of these words in this chart here. So you can also work on reading your words so that you know what words you're looking for. That's your reading for today. How many of you like to eat ice cream? I love ice cream. It is so good. And we are coming into the great time of the year when we get to eat ice cream a lot more because it's hot outside. When it's cold outside in the winter, I don't really like to eat ice cream because it just makes me more cold. But when it's hot outside, it makes me cool down and I love to eat ice cream. Today, we are going to be making our perfect way to eat ice cream. And in order to do this, you're gonna need these 2 pieces of paper from your binder, and you're going to cut out the pieces that you need. Okay, so we've got a lot of different things. We've got a bowl, we've got a big sundae cup, and we've got a smaller sundae cup, and then we have this fun, colorful rainbow cup. So you're gonna choose which of these do you want to put your ice cream sundae in. Then we've got chocolate ice cream, we've got yellow vanilla ice cream, and white vanilla bean ice cream, strawberry and mint ice cream. Then we have a chocolate stick, we've got a banana, we have sprinkles and cherry and whipped cream. And then on this side, we have caramel sauce and chocolate sauce and strawberry sauce. You are going to be building your perfect ice cream sundae on this page. Let me show you what my perfect ice cream sundae looks like. Let's go ahead and peek at it together. I'm so excited to show you my favorite ice cream sundae. So this is what mine looks like. And it doesn't look like a perfect ice cream sundae because I left mine as the cards. If you want to take the time to cut out each thing, that's okay too, but that's going to take you a lot longer. I just left mine like this. So I picked this dish on the bottom, and then I put my banana on there because my favorite kind of ice cream sundae is a banana split. So I put a banana on, and then I put chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla ice cream because I love all 3 kinds of ice cream when I have a banana split. And I always put the ice cream on top of my banana. Then I put chocolate sauce on next because I love to have chocolate sauce all over the chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla ice cream. Then on the top I put whipped cream, and I always put a lot of whipped cream because I love whipped cream. And then on the very top I put a cherry because cherries make it so fun and colorful, and they taste really good. That's my ice cream sundae. That's how I would eat a perfect ice cream sundae. You get to make yours now. And when we have our Zoom on Thursday, I want you to bring this paper as well so that you can describe your perfect ice cream sundae to us on Thursday as well. So you're going to bring this and whatever you're bringing for show and tell to our Zoom call on Thursday at 10:30 on Thursday morning. Okay, so don't forget to bring this. Don't do anything else other than make your perfect sundae today. We're going to be writing about our perfect sundae for the next 3 days, and you're going to be helping to persuade me to understand why this is the best ice cream sundae. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great night.